Hi, and I'm wondering if you've ever had a design that you wondered what it would look like stitched in different colors than what the designer had originally digitized for. So this little video is going to show you a way that you can do it in Embird Manager so that you can play around with design colorways and see if you find something that you like better. I'm going to load this little snowflake that I digitized a few years ago, and we're going to play with this design. So say I want to change the green color. First I would go down here to the bottom where the green is. I would right click it and say choose color from a catalog. Since it knows that that is a marathon thread color, it will show me the colors that I have loaded for marathon. So say I want to change it to a pink. I can do that and say apply color changes. Okay, so maybe I don't want to have that red, exactly that shade of red, or I just want to change it to a different color. Same process. Right click on it. Let's say I wanted to change it to a silver lining. Say OK. Again, click on apply color changes. Now, say this final color right here that stitches out, which is all this fine detail. Say I want to change it to a different color, say a pale yellow. So, OK. Again, apply the color changes. And as you can see, you can get lots of different looks from playing with the designs and the different colors without actually changing the design. Should you want to save it, all you have to do would be, click on the right panel and do, a convert file. And then it'll say the color palette was changed. Do you want to save it? Say yes. Right now I'm going to say no, and because I like it the way it was. But that's just one of the ways that you can do it. Also, if you take the actual design into editor, you can see the same design here. And to change it in editor, it's a couple more steps are involved. First, you have to separate all the colors. So you would right click on, say, one of the colors and say separate all colors. And then here you would right click on it and say change color. And then again, it would just be like before where you would select the color that you want and it changes it automatically. So if I want to change this gold to let's see if we can find a pretty silver. Sometimes the silvers don't really show up that well here, but you know your colors and you know what you have. And the green, let's change this to say a dark turquoise. And this fawn color, which is this, we'll go ahead and change it to a bright yellow. And you can change the entire look of designs by playing with the colors. And this way you don't have to stitch them out. If you like it, you can save it, or you can just jot down the numbers of the colors that you want to use and then keep them handy when it comes to stitching out the design. So I hope you like this video. Hope you like and subscribe, and we will see you later when we have some new ones. Talk to you then. Bye.